The benefits of working as a steel fixer in Croatian media.k.JWALA. A brief introduction for the article. Working as a steel fixer in Croatia can be a great opportunity for those who are looking for a new and exciting career. Steel fixing is a process of repairing and restoring steel structures, which is a rapidly growing industry in Croatia. As a steel fixer, you will be responsible for a variety of tasks, including fixing broken steel plates, welding steel together, and installing new steel plates. If you are interested in pursuing a career in steel fixing, read on for more information about the benefits of working as a steel fixer in Croatia. 1. The benefits of working as a steel fixer in Croatia. If you're looking for a job that will offer you lots of opportunity and a great salary, look no further than working as a steel fixer in Croatia. Steel fixing is a booming industry in Croatia, and there are many benefits to working as a steel fixer in Croatia. First of all, the salary is great. You can earn up to 2,000 euros per month as a steel fixer in Croatia, which is much more than you would earn working as a laborer in Croatia. Secondly, the job is very versatile. You can work as a steel fixer in Croatia during the day or at night. This means that you can choose the hours that you want to work. Lastly, the job is very easy to find. You can find steel fixers in Croatia online or through word of mouth. 2. The typical day as a steel fixer in Croatia. Steel fixers are responsible for the maintenance and repair of steel structures. They are also responsible for ensuring that all the necessary safety precautions are taken while working with steel. Steel fixers in Croatia typically work 8-hour days with a 1-hour lunch break. They usually work Monday through Friday, with the occasional Saturday or Sunday shift. The benefits of working as a steel fixer in Croatia include the following. 1. Flexible working hours. Steel fixers in Croatia are able to work flexible hours, which allows them to take care of their family and other commitments without having to miss work. 2. Good salaried steel fixers in Croatia earn a good salary, which allows them to live a comfortable life. 3. Excellent working conditions. Steel fixers in Croatia have excellent working conditions, which are designed to ensure safety. 4. Excellent opportunities for career growth. Steel fixers in Croatia have excellent opportunities for career growth, which means that they can eventually become managers. 3. The training received as a steel fixer in Croatia. As a steel fixer, you'll be working with the latest in machinery and technology. You'll have the opportunity to learn new skills and work with some of the best in the business. There are a few things you should know before you start your training. First of all, you'll need to have a good grip on English. This is not only for communication, but also for documentation. You'll need to be able to write up everything you do and keep track of any repairs or modifications you make. Secondly, you'll need to be physically fit. Steel fixing is a physically demanding job, and you'll need to be able to move around and work for long periods of time. And finally, you'll need to be patient. Steel fixing isn't always an easy job, and there may be times when things don't go according to plan. But with a bit of luck and a good attitude, a steel fixer in Croatia can have a great career. 4. The benefits of living in a foreign country as a steel fixer in Croatia. Steel fixing is a profession that requires a lot of physical strength and stamina. It can be a dangerous job, and many steel fixers end up moving to foreign countries in search of a better life. There are many benefits to living as a steel fixer in Croatia. First of all, the country is relatively small, so you will always be in close proximity to your clients. This means that you will be able to get to know them and their business as well. You will also be able to build strong relationships with them, which will be beneficial when it comes to solving problems. The country is also very affordable, which is great news for steel fixers who are on a budget. The cost of living is low, and you will be able to save a lot of money by moving to Croatia. The country also has great infrastructure, which means that you will be able to find jobs and housing easily. Overall, the benefits of living as a steel fixer in Croatia are great. You will be able to build strong relationships with your clients, save money, and be in close proximity to your work. 5. The job security as a steel fixer in Croatia. Steel fixing is one of the most in-demand trades in the world, and that's because it's a versatile and stable trade. Steel fixing is the process of fixing metal frames, mainly used in bridges, skyscrapers, and other large construction projects. In Croatia, there are plenty of steel fixers who are in high demand, and because of that, the job security is very high. Even in the event of a global economic recession, steel fixing will still be in demand because it's an essential trade that can be used in a variety of different industries. If you're looking for a stable and lucrative job, steel fixing may be the trade for you. Plus, the job security is very high in Croatia, so you can always be sure that you'll have a job to go to. 6. The working conditions as a steel fixer in Croatia. If you're looking for a challenging and rewarding career, consider working as a steel fixer in Croatia. In this position, you'll be responsible for making sure the steel beams and other components of buildings are properly fixed and secured. You'll need to be able to work quickly and efficiently in order to keep up with the demand for your services. As a steel fixer in Croatia, you'll also be required to wear a variety of protective gear in order to avoid injury. You'll be working with a variety of dangerous chemicals and metals, so you'll need to be careful not to get overexposed. If you're interested in working as a steel fixer in Croatia, be sure to research the position carefully before applying. You'll need to be able to handle a lot of physical activity and be able to work under pressure. If you have the right skills and qualifications, a career as a steel fixer in Croatia could be the perfect fit for you. 7. The language barrier as a steel fixer in Croatia. You may be wondering why someone would want to work as a steel fixer in Croatia. After all, Croatia is known for its beautiful beaches, picturesque islands, and crystal clear waters. The answer is simple. The steel fixing industry is growing rapidly in Croatia, and there is a lot of opportunity for steel fixers to make a good income. Steel fixing is a very specialized field, and steel fixers are responsible for repairing, restoring, and maintaining steel structures. This can include everything from fixing broken bolts to installing new beams. As a steel fixer in Croatia, you'll need to be fluent in the Croatian language. Fortunately, most steel fixers in Croatia also speak English. This means that you'll be able to communicate with your clients and coworkers very easily. As a steel fixer in Croatia, you'll also be required to have a valid driver's license and a good driving record. You'll need to be able to lift and carry heavy objects, and you'll need to be able to work in a very hot and humid environment. If you're interested in working as a steel fixer in Croatia, be sure to check out our website. We'll be able to help you get started and connect you with the right people in the steel fixing industry in Croatia. 8. The taxes as a steel fixer in Croatia. As a steel fixer in Croatia, you'll likely be dealing with a variety of taxes. Here's a rundown of the most important ones. Value-added tax. This is a standard tax that all businesses in Croatia are required to pay. It's a percentage of the total value of the product or service. Employment tax. This is a tax that employers are required to pay on the wages of their employees. Property tax. This is a tax that is levied on the value of a property. Customs. As a steel fixer in Croatia, you'll likely be dealing with customs duties and taxes. If you're not sure which taxes apply to your situation, contact your local tax office. 9. The health benefits as a steel fixer in Croatia. One of the many benefits of working as a steel fixer in Croatia is the health benefits it offers. Steel fixing is a physically demanding job that requires a lot of stamina and strength. It is also a very dangerous job, with risks of exposure to heavy metals and other harmful substances. However, the health benefits of working as a steel fixer in Croatia are considerable. The work can help improve your overall health and well-being, and can also improve your physical fitness. The work can also help you lose weight if you are overweight. The heavy physical work can burn calories, and if you are overweight, this will help you to lose weight. The work can also help you to improve your cardiovascular health. The heavy physical work can improve your heart health, and can also help to reduce the risk of heart disease. The work can also help to improve your immune system. Exposure to heavy metals and other harmful substances can help to improve your immune system. The work can also help to improve your mental health. The work can be tiring, and if you are mentally healthy, the work can help to improve your mental health. The work can also help to improve your social health. The work can be social, and if you are social, the work can help to improve your social health. The work can also help to improve your teamwork skills. The work can be team-based, and if you are a good team player, the work can help to improve your teamwork skills. The work can also help to improve your communication skills. The work can be noisy, and if you are a good communicator, the work can help to improve your communication skills. 10. Conclusion as a steel fixer in Croatia. As a steel fixer in Croatia, you can expect to enjoy many benefits. First and foremost, you'll be able to make a great living. Second, you'll be able to live in a beautiful country with plenty of opportunity. And finally, you'll be able to work with great people. As a steel fixer, you'll need to be able to fix steel. This can involve welding, bolting, and fabricating. Steel fixers also need to be able to work with a variety of materials, including steel, aluminum, brass, and stainless steel. If you're interested in working as a steel fixer in Croatia, be sure to research the job. You can find information on websites like Indeed.com and the job board. You can also contact companies in Croatia to see if they're looking for steel fixers. Once you've researched the job and have decided that it's the right fit for you, apply online. You can find application forms on websites like Indeed.com and the job board. You should also include contact information for references. Once you've been accepted to the job, you'll need to arrive in Croatia and obtain a work visa. You can find information on websites like visazaforall.com and the job board. You'll also need to take a language test and undergo a medical exam. Once you've arrived in Croatia and have all of the necessary documentation, you'll be ready to start work as a steel fixer. We hope you enjoyed our blog post about working as a steel fixer in Croatia. A lot of people don't know that working as a steel fixer is a great opportunity. We talked about the many benefits of working as a steel fixer and how you can make a lot of money. We would love to hear your thoughts about this article, and if you have any questions. Thank you for reading, and we hope to see you soon.